Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to play your presentation on the PowerPoint application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Go to your homepage by tapping on the first icon down below and select a presentation that you would want to play. Tap on the play button at the top of the screen, and as you can see, it is made up of 4 slides, so just simply swipe to the right side of the screen in order to proceed with your slides, but you can also go back by swiping to the left side of the screen. Here you are going to see all the effects and animations that you have inserted into your presentation. As you can see now, we have reached the end of the slideshow, so swipe forwards to exit. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.